There's just no place like home. Where else can you walk around without pants and not break any rules? Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and at Douglas Ridge in Brunswick, Maine, we have embarked on a green home development journey that embraces cutting-edge technology to ensure a healthy living experience. Often overlooked in home building is that poor ventilation can trap indoor air pollutants like radon, carbon monoxide, and VOCs, resulting in uninvited guests who never leave. Unity Homes, the primary supplier at Douglas Ridge, provides airtight construction, 11.5-inch cellulose insulated walls, triple-glazed turn-tilt windows, and a balanced ventilation system that continuously supplies filtered air and consistent temperatures. Buildings have to breathe, and so do you. By taking a whole house approach to material selection, air sealing, and ventilation, Unity can ensure that every home we build has a wholesome indoor air quality. Controlling the ambient environment is just one example of sustainable living that is obtainable today. To learn more about green manufacturing and energy efficiency, visit our website, mainehomeconnection.com. Embrace a healthier and happier future where pants are optional. I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.